Hi, this is Molly at The Art in Me, and we're going to be knitting a circular scarf together. This is the best beginning knitter project. You're going to learn how to cast on, how to knit, and how to cast off. And at the very end, you're going to come up with this beautiful circular scarf, a functional piece of wearable art. What you're going to need for this is a set of circular knitting needles. These are 24-inch circular needles. They are wood, which I highly recommend because they have a little bit more grip than the metal needles, and that will be very helpful at the very beginning when you feel like you have 10 thumbs. These are also a size 10 needle. I've chosen to not go with a textured yarn because it's going to make it much easier for me to get my needles in and out of the loops. So this is not fuzzy or loopy or bumpy, but it is a chunky yarn, so that means it's a lot thicker, so that's going to be perfect for what I'm using. I've chosen to go with the color purple because it's my favorite, and I'm sure what you choose will be just perfect. So let's get started.